Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to open Excel file as a read only by default. So let's start. So this is my Excel file and here I'm going to open this by default read only. For that you need to do the setting in file properties. So simply right click on the mouse and go to the properties of the file, and here in file properties in general tab, go to the last option in attributes and click on the read only option, and then click on apply, and then click on the OK, and that's it. Now the file will open by default read only. So I simply double click on it to open this Excel file, and see here this file is open in status of read only. Okay, so this is a way you can open Excel file as a read only by default. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.